If you're looking for the best software for financial reporting, you're probably trying to decide between Kashoo and Sage 50 Cloud. Both are solid tools, but which one actually delivers better financial reporting? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal which one stands out, plus a better alternative that you may not have considered. Let's start by looking at Kashoo. It's a simple accounting software geared towards small businesses. It's known for its easy-to-use interface and automatic bookkeeping features. It's got decent financial reporting capabilities, but the reporting options are somewhat limited. You'll get essential financial statements like profit and loss, balance sheets, and tax reports, but when it comes to customization, Kashoo doesn't offer much flexibility. If you're someone who needs very specific reports or more in-depth financial analysis, you might find Kashoo a bit lacking. Next, let's talk about Sage 50 Cloud. This one is a more robust solution that's better suited for medium to larger businesses. It's packed with features, including advanced reporting options. The major advantage here is the level of detail you can achieve in your reports. Whether it's customized financial statements or forecasting reports, Sage 50 Cloud has a lot to offer. However, the learning curve is steeper, and the interface can feel a little dated compared to more modern tools. Now, the third thing we need to talk about is integration. Kashoo makes it easy to sync with your bank accounts, PayPal, and other essential services, but when it comes to integrations with other accounting tools or third-party software, Kashoo is a bit more limited. On the other hand, Sage 50 Cloud excels in this area. It integrates well with other platforms, including payroll software, CRM tools, and even your Microsoft 365 account. This makes it a solid choice if you're looking for something that will work seamlessly with your existing business tools. The fourth thing worth considering is customer support. Kashoo offers customer service by email and live chat, but there are some complaints about response times. If you're working on a deadline and need help, this can be frustrating. Sage 50 Cloud, however, has a more comprehensive support structure, including phone support and a dedicated account manager for larger businesses. While Sage 50 Cloud support is generally praised, keep in mind that it's a more complex system, so if you're not tech-savvy, it might take longer to get the help you need. Let's dive into price. Kashoo is more affordable, which makes it an attractive option for small businesses and startups. But with the lower price tag comes fewer advanced features. On the other hand, Sage 50 Cloud is on the pricier side, but considering its powerful financial reporting capabilities and integrations, it might be worth the investment for medium to larger businesses. So, both Kashoo and Sage 50 Cloud have their strengths, but here's the twist. I've tried both of these myself, and while they are good for basic financial reporting, there's a better solution out there, one that I highly recommend. If you're serious about financial reporting and want a tool that's easy to use, offers customization, integrates seamlessly, and provides top-notch customer support, you need to check out the software in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll not only get the best free trial, but also some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, this will take your financial reporting to the next level.